mom's one busy lady. But that's okay by me, because when she gets busy, I get Kid Cuisine. Kid Cuisine is totally tasty. There's chicken nuggets, pizza, ravioli. Kid Cuisine is definitely fun. They come with a fun pack with games and stickers and stuff. I can't wait to collect them all.
Purse.
Moms, you gotta love them.
Kid Cuisine. Good food that's good fun.
Hey guys, what sounds good? I want Kid Cuisine! Whoa!
You can brush up on fun with my Kid Cuisine Cheese Pizza Painter Meal. Use the special pizza sauce packet to paint your own masterpiece.
Like this!
You Van Gogh, girl!
Well, what about mine?
A pizza's worth 1,000 words, and the peaches and pudding keep the fun going! Clean up in the freezer aisle. Mealtime is fun time with Kid Cuisine.
This stuff, I had my fill. To tell the truth, everything bores me. But wow, there's Kid Cuisine, an awesome meal that's made just for me.
And now Kid Cuisine's making their well-balanced meals better than ever.
They're all my favorite foods and fun games too. And so I say yes with Kid Cuisine. I'll have it my way.
Mammoths? No, it's Kid Cuisine with a mammoth-sized announcement. My new Ice Age The Meltdown meals are here.
Awesome!
Cool. With Sid and Diego-shaped pasta and acorn-shaped chicken nuggets.
Cool!
Plus vanilla pudding with blue glitter and fiendish villain sprinkles. Bon appetit! You can see Ice Age The Meltdown, rated PG, only in theaters. My new Ice Age The Meltdown meals from Kid Cuisine.
Who's there?
It's Kid Cuisine! And look what's here! My new open season meals! Woohoo!
Right!
With Boog and Elliot-shaped mac and cheese. And Timberline tree-shaped chicken breast nuggets.
Tremendous!
Huh? Plus chocolate pudding with Boog and Elliot sprinkles. Sweet! You can see open season rated PG only in theaters. The hunt is on for my new open season meals
From Kid Cuisine!
Kid Cuisine presents BJ and the chef.
Nice landing, BJ.
How about a Kid Cuisine dinner?
With stickers, games,
And dessert?
excellent. What's really excellent is you can win a free trip on US Air to Universal Studios in Hollywood or Florida.
Details and ways to enter on specially marked packages of Kid Cuisine. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. Thousands of entries, but only a few winners. It ends January 31st, 1992. So remember, Kid Cuisine is good food.
And cool fun.
And now, dinner with Kid Cuisine and a show by my fellow homebirds from Rio 2. Here's a cha-cha for your chicken nuggets, a mambo for your mac and cheese, and, ladies and gentlebirds, a 3D spectacular.
Now every specially marked Rio 2 Kid Cuisine meal comes with 3D glasses.
Whoa!
Hey, do those glasses make my tail look big?
Dance your way to delicious with Rio 2 Kid Cuisine meals. There's even more Rio 2 fun at kidcuisine.com/Rio2.
Welcome back, Kid Cuisine!
Let's keep the fun going with my Kid Cuisine All-Star Chicken Nuggets meal, made with white meat
For a taste that can't be beat!
and my mac and cheese is out of here. Mealtime is fun time with Kid Cuisine. Cheese Blaster coming through!
Kid Cuisine!
Just in time!
My Kid Cuisine Cheese Blaster mac and cheese meal is a real blast.
With lots of gooey cheese.
Let's roll out the fun with my berry-flavored fruit roll. Mealtime is fun time with Kid Cuisine.
We're starving!
Well, that's no mystery.
Kid Cuisine!
Our next mission, agents, is discovering the fun in every meal.
The secret is the extra cheese. Watch the mystery of the disappearing chicken.
Now you can test your secret agent skills on the back of the box. And when you mail in 8 spy gear points from specially marked meals, I'll send you spy gear like this. Whoa!
New mission?
Just thought I'd drop in. Mealtime is fun time with Kid Cuisine.
Introducing Kid Cuisine Shrekified meals. With crispy Shrekified nuggets. Here's gooey Shrek-shaped mac and cheese. And buggy swamp pudding. And if you find a lucky green tray, you can win a Universal Studios Hollywood vacation to meet Shrek. At KidCuisine.com are official rules on how to enter for free. Ask parents first. Many will enter. Few will win. No purchase necessary. New Kid Cuisine Shrekified meals.
We last saw Kid Cuisine hurtling through space looking for awesome new foods. Now he's landed on planet 42.
Hot dogs! Campfire hot dogs sing this song. Weenies, weenies. French fries, fruit snacks, corn to go along. New from Kid Cuisine. Tons of campfire fun. They're my #1. Campfire hot dogs can't be beat. Yep, you bet your bonds.
New Kid Cuisine Campfire Hot Dog Meal. The taste of a backyard barbecue no matter where in the universe you are.
Kid Cuisine and best friends go together like a penguin and water. Like chicken and nuggets. Are your tummies rumbling, or is that just my air bubbles? Huh?
Dinner time is fun time with SpongeBob and Patrick. And now for a limited time, Kid Cuisine has chicken nuggets shaped like SpongeBob and Patrick. You can also get Best Buddies wristbands when you purchase 2 meals. Plus, there's more Best Buddy fun at nick.com/KCFun.
I'm hungry. Let's go see what Grandpa's got cooking.
Hey, gang, what's up? Kid Cuisine. Yes, cheesy mac and cheese and fun nuggets.
With pudding and rainbow sprinkles. Hey, thanks. That was great. Yeah.
Next time, I'll have cheese, Pete, and I can fluff the brownie.
Hey, guys, let's go beat the big bad wolf. Yeah. Kid Cuisine. Food and fun all in one.
Afraid of running out of crunchy bugs to eat? Don't worry, Kid Cuisine's got bugs. Bugs? Not real bugs, tasty bugs in my new Kid Cuisine meals, full of fun from the Lion King 1.5. Bug-shaped mac and cheese, mouthfuls of yummy gummy worms, wormy-licious, and candy ants you can sprinkle on anthill pudding. Plus, look, Kid Cuisine has a special offer for the Lion King 1.5 on Disney DVD and video, available February 10th. Hey, it's me, Kid Cuisine. I'm taking off.
Where are you going?
I'm discovering new places on summer vacation. Where can you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Did somebody say pizza?
Having a blast here is easy.
Well, having a blast here is cheesy.
Check the clues on the box to solve the Where's Kid Cuisine mystery. And when you mail in 6 postcards from specially marked meals, I'll send you a free waterproof camera. Picture yourself having fun this summer with Kid Cuisine.
Say cheese!
While searching space for awesome new foods, Kid Cuisine got lost and landed on planet 51 for directions.
Excuse me, could you guys help? Okay, can anyone help me find Earth?
He didn't find his way home, but he did find new Planet 51 Kid Cuisine meals with fruit-flavored snacks, mac and cheese, and nuggets shaped like Planet 51 characters. And you can help Casey find Earth by checking out specially marked boxes of Kid Cuisine. Help him home, and you could win a movie screening party for you and your friends. No purchase necessary. Enter online. Many will enter. One will win.
And now a new discovery from Kid Cuisine.
Casey, I'm open! Yes! Whoa! I'll catch it. Hey, over here. What is it, Casey?
It's the new Halloween Kid Cuisine. Tasty ghost and bat-shaped nuggets, a brownie of frost with orange juice, and yummy trick applesauce.
What a treat!
Kid Cuisine!
Yay! Good discovery, Casey.
New Halloween Kid Cuisine. Food and fun all in one.
Campfire hot dogs sing this song. Weenies, weenies. French fries, fruit snacks, corn to go along. Now from Kid Cuisine. Tons of campfire fun. They're my #1. Campfire hot dogs can't be beat. Yep, you bet your buns.
Kid Cuisine Campfire Hot Dog.
Kid Cuisine spaghetti and meatballs meal combines sprinklicious s'mores and pudding. It's so tasty, you'll lose your mind.
Come here, you.
It's headed behind the couch. Kid Cuisine.
Kid Cuisine presents BJ and the Chef. Another boring breakfast. Here's my Kid Cuisine breakfast with French toast, scrambled eggs,
Or waffles.
part of this complete breakfast.
My fun pack, too. And now you can win the Popeye Reebok. Details on specially marked Kid Cuisine packages. Void where prohibited. No purchase necessary. Many will play. Thousands will win. Good while supplies last. Game ends December 31st, 92. Pump it up and win with Kid Cuisine. Good food and good fun.
Hey, it's me, Kid Cuisine. Where can you find deliciously tasty, extra crunchy, wiggly little bugs to eat?
Bugs?
Not real bugs, tasty bugs in my new Kid Cuisine meals, full of fun from the Lion King 1.5. Bug-shaped mac and cheese,
Buggy but delicious.
mouthfuls of yummy gummy worms, and candy ants you can sprinkle on anthill pudding. With Kid Cuisine, you can eat like an animal. And the Lion King 1.5 is on Disney DVD and video February 10th.
Kid Cuisine always brings you awesome out-of-this-world meals, like star-shaped mac and cheese from Planet 41. Now a new cosmic chicken nugget and mac and cheese galaxy meals. You can join the mission with your own galactic pack, free with purchase. See specially marked boxes for details.
Kid Cuisine presents BJ and the Chef in Mega Meal Posse to the rescue!
BJ and the Chef!
Mighty small meal, partner.
Get along, doggy!
Rustle up, man.
No!
Kid Cuisine Mega Meals. Yummy, yummy, yum. More chicken nuggets, bigger burgers, a pair of pizzas.
Desserts! And my fun pack!
Lots of food.
And new Mega Meals!
Kid Cuisine is just for kids.
Good
food.
That's good fun!
Now more of it.